Hi, this is John with WTI, and lately I've not been doing that well when it comes to sweets, but I'm getting better. And this is where the Skittles gummies are coming into place. Sometimes I get a little sweet treat from time to time, and one of these it just makes the job perfect. Well, not one, maybe two or three more, but still works. So what I like to eat some just while I'm working or just want to have a normal treat or listen to this. You can even get this with drinks or cocktails. Like you mix it up and you get this different flavor of the little gummies. And Skittles are really nice. They just taste awesome. And as I do exercises, it's just like an easy way to spike up my insulin levels because I just take one of this and I'm good to go. And it's just great. The different flavors are here, are nice, are tasteful. You can get this to kid, and he's just gonna love you. So this was John with WTI, and that was my point of view.